Happy holidays, my fellow cross stitchers. I am really excited to be a part of Chantelle's ornament box again this year. And this was my fun shape, this really cool paddle. For it, I used two of the colors, my base color. I used the Faded Burlap from the Do-It-Yourself paints. And then I also did a little bit of decorative painting with the gypsy green, and I also just mixed up a little bit of blue for the other one. So because it's an ornament, I like the idea that an ornament can actually spin and be two-sided, especially since if we're gonna put them on display on a tree, I might be seeing this from a variety of angles. So I've got two little birds for you this year. We have my little chunky Cardinal with some leaves, and you can see this is where I added the green kind of in the background. And this is my little peace bird, which is more with snowflakes and blue, but you could also change the colors of these birds and do whatever you'd like. For my paddle, I decided to go ahead and do a little bit of decorative painting on it. And so I did some leaves and snowflake motifs, a little bit of just a little dashed edging there. If you want to try doing this, I would suggest you paint the base of your board first, and then you sketch on here what you're going to paint lightly with a pencil, then do the painting. That's what I did. If you'd like to follow my motifs, this is actually a free download on my website, Robin Pickens Incorporated, and you can download this, print it out at 100%. And you can actually just use this, do like a little pencil on the back as a carbon, and then trace over it. And this will help you to get your designs on the paddle at a good size. So happy holidays and happy stitching.